Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very interesting scenarios unfolding right now here in price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, our fear is turning into a reality. I mean, Bitcoin has failed to close the monthly candle above the CPI trend line, which now has printed a descending CPI, and we know descending CPI only gets formed when the price is preparing itself for a downtrend. So that was the reason why I was shouting on top of my lungs that if Bitcoin fails to regain its trend above this key trend line, the next month CPI December will be bearish, and that is exactly what is unfolding right now as well. I mean, that was the reason why I named yesterday's title Dump in December. You can check it out guys, you can check my previous video. But according to this descending CPI in between 96,000 92,000, this is an extremely strong resistance for Bitcoin. And if this bearish continuation continues, where is our first target? The first bearish target according to this monthly leading indicator sits around $76,900. Yes guys, Bitcoin failing to regain its trend above this CPI trend line means we must focus around the first bearish target according to this leading indicator, which sits around 76,900. And to the upside, if Bitcoin flips this December CPI into proper support, you can see this R1 line will be our bullish target, and this R1 line sits around $107,500. But since the price is below this CPI trend line, below this December CPI trend line, you should monitor this price movement to the downside and not to the upside. So that's why guys, that's why we have to be very careful, because price, not just only according to this December CPI, is getting rejected, but if you look at this Williams alligator indicator, even in a daily time frame, this Williams alligator indicator is rejecting us. And now if it does result in another continuation, then there is a very high probability of price printing a lower low. Yes guys, lower than the previous one. And according to our leading indicator, you can see 76,900. So that's why around this area, a new lower low could be on the line as we head towards the December month. Yes guys, December month according to our leading indicator could be bearish, could print another lower low, could get attracted towards this S1 area first, and only after that decide a direction. So as of now, you can see things are looking bearish. That's why please be careful. We have extremely important resistance which is rejecting us. Williams alligator indicator, CPI indicator, even this Bollinger Band, the center line which I showed you in my previous video, right? This center line also rejected us, and now we are free falling. So please, what I'm trying to pinpoint is that be careful. Bitcoin according to our leading indicator has already printed a new bearish target for the month of December. The first bearish target as of now, 76,900. So we have to be careful, because price of Bitcoin could be getting attracted around that area before we decide an actual direction. So please guys, please, as you can see, market is expected to be even more volatile in the upcoming days. So please do not overleverage yourself. And even according to this rising channel yesterday, I think I showed you guys this one here, right? Before I talk about this rising channel, first let me show you this descending channel or a falling channel, which is normally bullish. But I was very clear, if Bitcoin, even after this rally, fails to find support above this key trend line, the previous one CPI, it will turn out into a fake out. And after this bullish move, we are going to head towards the original direction, which it did. Not just only this falling channel, I even showed you with this descending bottom wedge, you can see a fake out, which later resulting in a bearish continuation. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here with so many different examples, so many different scenarios, that Bitcoin has officially closed November below the CPI trend line, which now is flashing us a bearish continuation for the upcoming days. Yes, you heard that correctly guys. Bitcoin now could be following some bearish continuation for the upcoming days before deciding the direction. And even according to this rising channel, which is a bearish continuation pattern, you can see even if the price in the medium short term shows a move like this, right, please be aware there is a very high chance of price forming a new lower low, and only after that we are going to decide a direction. So please be careful. do not overleverage yourself. As you can see, market in the upcoming days is expected to be even more volatile. So I want you guys to trade responsibly. And not just only that, even in a weekly time frame, you can see Bitcoin looks like coming for a retest around the 100 exponential moving average. We are talking about this scenario since a couple of days. I mean, I showed you guys Bitcoin finding support above this 100 exponential moving average in the past price action has resulted in a relief rally. So if this repeats again, then for the medium short term, there could be a temporary rally around this 50 exponential moving average around 100,000, and then price heading towards the original direction. And now there might not be a relief rally that we've been waiting for. I mean, without this relief rally, continuation of a downtrend. So if Bitcoin loses the support around this 100 EMA, which sits around 85,600, then we have to be very, very careful, guys, because losing this support here in the medium short term means our first bearish target will be attracting us according to this leading indicator, which sits around $76,900. Yes, guys, $76,900 around this area will be our next area of confluence, the area where we could be getting attracted if this 100 exponential moving average loses the price. So please wait until certain line of support or resistance gets broken before jumping into any trade. And this is what I wanted to share with you in this quick video. So if you enjoyed my work, if you like this kind of content, then definitely destroy that like button. And also to those individuals who are still unaware about this $30,050 bonus or welcome reward from Bybit, then definitely check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.